what's up guys? Dustin Depp here, and as you guys can see, I've got something a little bit different for the channel today. This is the Lupe. This is a pure cordless vacuum, and this is from two Dyson engineers who went out on their own, thought they could make a better vacuum, so we're going to check it out today. This is just a quick unboxing video, but we're going to go ahead and open it up and see what we've got inside the box. As you can see, we've got a removable battery here. Now this is a lot different from a lot of the cordless vacuums out there today that do not come with removable replaceable batteries. The Lupe does. One of their whole things behind this vacuum is that it's completely sustainable, meaning that all of the parts are readily available on their website, and the individual should be able to change them themselves. So in theory, you should be able to keep this vacuum indefinitely. So let's go ahead and open it up, see what all it comes with here. So here's all of, or some of the attachments anyways. So we've got like a crevice tool and then a wider tool there. And then this right here, so you can actually mount them to the vacuum itself. We'll just set those down to the side for now. We've got the universal power brick. Now this brick here obviously comes with all the different power for wherever you're located in the world, so you can use this vacuum anywhere. We've got US, UK, and Europe, but they do sell others as well on their website, depending on where you purchase it from. Okay, so here is the head of the vacuum itself. Now, the cool thing about this is that it has a twin brush design. Now, similar to some of the iRoombas, they have a twin roll design. I think there's a few others out there that have a twin brush, but this one has a soft roller at the front, but it's a flat soft roller, so it can still make a perfect suction on hardwood floors and then also on carpet, so it has a ton of power. If you guys want to see a really good review on this, I recommend going to Vacuum Wars. As far as vacuums, they're probably one of the best channels out there, and I'll leave a link in the description to their channel so you guys can check them out. This right here is the actual canister itself. So it's this is like an upright, but obviously it's cordless, so you don't have to plug it in. But the advantage of that is the weight isn't always on your hand, where with like a Dyson, with the motor being all the way at the top, all the weight is on your wrist, so it can get tiring. With this, you can disconnect it and use your hand to use the crevice tools and things like that, which makes it much easier on you, especially if you're doing stairs and things like that, etc. Here we go. Here is the handle itself. Now this handle does feel like it's, this portion of it anyways is like aluminum. Obviously this up here is like a rubberized plastic. It feels fairly sturdy, to be honest. Okay, so this should be pretty easy to put together. So this just clicks right in there. That's set up. Then this guy here, sorry about that, clicks right into the bottom. And then the hose clicks right into this. And then you just need to take your pure cordless battery here and insert it like so, and you're good to go. That is it. That is the whole vacuum put together. If you want to put the attachments on the handle, you can do so with this. This would just click onto the top of the handle, and then you can store your attachments so they're easy to get to. You can recharge it via cable right here in this port at the front. So if you have multiple batteries, you can charge them separately. There is no like docking station for this, but the great thing about this vacuum is it will stand up on its own. So unlike some of the Dyson stick vacs and other stick vacs we get today where you've got to have like a dock mounted to the wall, this thing will stand up all on its own. Yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments or anything else you want to see, please let me know and put them in the description, or not in the description, put it in the comment section down below. Hit me up on Twitter at Dustin Depp. And hopefully we can get out some more content and some better content for you guys soon. We're completely redoing all our gear and everything else, so the quality of the videos can be much better than this. But hey, if you guys have any suggestions, I'm open. Thanks a lot, guys. Until the next one, at Dustin Depp. Peace.